Hello.
Hello. Welcome back to Gunk Pulls.
Someone asked the other day, what is this? And I was like, Gunk.
We're niche, you know. We have the best audience.
We do, actually.
We actually do.
We do get some hilarious comments. Someone got confused by my point of calling it a string.
Alright.
And thought they were actual strings.
Oh, okay.
So to be clear,
no actual strings were harmed or used in the making of these videos.
It's true. Oh. Is that just your skin? I'm sorry.
Sorry.
Oh, focus. Oh, is it already away? Oh, it's just a little standalone.
Oh.
That's a weird one. Okay, we'll get rid of that. Does it feel like there's anything else in there?
Possibly. There's definitely something in the other one. That's right. It's a double.
It's a double eye video!
Yeah.
Eye switch. Whew. Oh, we did it! Did a solid eye switch right there.
Thanks. Been practicing.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Just shoop shoop.
Just look in different directions.
Just in different like settings, like in the mirror.
Mm.
Like while at work, just shoop shoop.
Shoop, shoop.
So the sound. Oh wait, hang on, am I getting the sound of the eye switch wrong? Is it not shoop shoop?
Oh, it absolutely is.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Wouldn't want to get it wrong.
Of course not, you gotta get it right.
That's true, sorry.
Sorry.
There was a string.
There probably still is.
Okay, well let's now try to give it a little personal touch. Ooh. There's nothing making itself. Oh, maybe. Sometimes. Oh, another comment we got was, can we have more of the thick ones? And I think I said, we don't decide.
I'll schedule another one soon.
We have no idea what's in your eyes or when.
Yeah, it's all a big gamble. But you never know, it could pay off.
Because like I think we all enjoy, well, maybe not you. All of us except you enjoy the thick ones.
Yes.
But there's no way of knowing what's going to be in there.
Yeah.
Or if anything's in there. Like, I swear, before it looked like there was something in there. But it's not doing anything now. Does it still feel like it's there?
Yeah.
Oh. Like in that end?
It's hard
in
to
the
tell.
inside corner?
It's hard to tell. Maybe we'll come back with a part 2.
I feel like I failed you.
Yes.
Like when I can't relieve your discomforts.
Oh. It's okay, I forgive you.
Oh. Okay. Oh, is it there?
I mean,
does it feel like it's at the bottom of your eye, like in the middle?
Yes.
Oh, it's there. I think I see it, but it's not hanging out the edge, so I can't go in and get it.
Do you want me to, like,
I mean, I don't want you to hurt yourself.
I'll be fine.
Okay, well, it's like in the bottom lid.
How about now?
Let's have a little look. That's something else entirely. Don't want to hurt you. Oh, maybe. I think it might just be wet, unfortunately, at this point. I really looked like there was something big in there. This is going to be one of those part 2s.
Part 2.
Oh, big eye.
Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.